Now let me show you how we can add motion into the iPhone. Let's get started. If this is your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Most likely you need to adjust your accessibility settings. So part of your main settings app, you can go to the accessibility indicated by the blue icon right there, and what you're gonna do is go to the motion section. So you literally have it right here, and you need to pay attention to some different things. For example, the reduce motion is right there at the top, and if you have that enabled, you need to turn it on to add the motion back to the iPhone, because the difference is that there is like no animation in between. You can see that there is like even the ability to prefer crossfade transitions. That's what you see when I go back to the home screen now. So without it, we have a nice motion and nice animation, so you need to turn this feature off if you want to bring that motion back. And there are also like different things at the bottom, like the automatic playing of the video effects and video previews, animated images. You can also decide for that, but that was the main thing for the motion. Outside of that, then of course the motion could be the thing you have in mind is when you capture photos. Then you have the live photos feature, which basically adds some like movement to the photos, which also adds motion, but in a completely different sense. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. If there is something completely different which you have in mind and I didn't mention it, let me know about it below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it. But for now, that's it. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the next videos as well.